Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm your host AirsoftAL, and I'm going to set you guys right down there because honestly, I am currently getting ready to do one of my ruck marches, or at least one of my exercises. Because I need to be ready for this Sunday, which of course is my birthday battle. And as you know, I'm going to be going in a gas mask because that is me filming how combat effective is it. Now of course, talking to the field owner, I am going to be happy to say he seems to be on board for it. Not only that, but a lot of veterans who actually had to train in NBC gear, as well as full respirators, they themselves are actually on board with this, which is actually rather cool. I'm very happy, and it does make me happy to know that a lot of veterans will support a dumb civvy like me in actually doing this. No, I'm going to address this now. Am I crazy? Maybe. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, now let's put the first aid kit here. I need to be relatively close to me. There we go. Let's just pop it there. But yeah, trying to get an Alice gear set up is actually a little bit harder than you might think, because you have to try and get things to fit where they need to, which is something I will admit about the Molly gear, is that Molly, yeah, okay, I'll fully concede Molly is a little bit better at least at that. I'm not going to fully concede to it. I shall never concede to it. Either way, though. Okay, let's go ahead and pop this here. But yes. Now, why would you want to do this? Well, one, it gets you a little bit more exercise, makes you a little bit more fit, I guess you could say, to a degree. Fair warning, though, the Alice clips do kind of hurt a bit. Just a little bit. I'm going to go and grab you guys. But yeah. The cool thing about some of the old gear, at least, in my opinion anyway, is that it is actually rather nice to see and use. I've got this loaded at .2, so as to how much weight is going to be on me with this Alice gear, I have no idea. That's one of those things. Either way, though. That's one AR pouch loaded up. Let's go ahead and get the other one loaded up. Now the gun I'll be running, of course, is going to be the AK, because not the AK, the AUG, at least. Because the AUG is actually pretty fucking heavy. Like, I'm not gonna lie, that sumbitch is heavy as hell. With that front, with the front tactical gear on it. I'm rather curious, will the 450s fit in this thing? That's what I'm curious about. Let me look here. I actually don't know if the 450s will fit in the standard AR pouches. That's one of my curiosities. Huh. Well, it would. Or at least attempts to, anyway. Just get you guys there. Well, the 454 comes... Nope, no, it will not. The 450s will not fit in the standard mag pouch, so I'm going to grab the mid-cap. I'm going to grab the GMP mid-cap over here. I'm going to set it in there with, of course, the mag puller thing. Mag grip. I don't know what the fuck to call them. Yeah, okay, here we go. Ah, damn it. Okay, I'm going to sit you guys down again because I need both hands for this one. There we go. It's clipped down. You know what's funny? Old Alice gear still works after so many years. Well, not what's funny, it's military surplus. Military surplus is meant to work, even after it's long been, yeah, anyway. Where is my Pennsylvania patch? I had a Pennsylvania patch lying around here. Oh, there we go. Need to represent my boys in Pennsylvania. There we go. But yeah, sorry that though. I will probably add more to it, which I'm probably going to be adding a bag that's on the side over here. Either way, though. But yeah, when we get back, you guys will basically,
March along, sing a song with the army of the free. Count the brave, count the true, who have fought to victory. We're the army and proud of our name. We're the army and proudly proclaim. First to fight for the right and to build the nation's might. And the army goes rolling along. Proud of all
Alright, let's get going. Alright, so if you're wondering, yes, I am in full kit right now. To a degree, anyway. This is the kit I'll probably be running at my birthday battle. Not the AUG, of course, I'm going to be running the AK, but the AUG is probably the heaviest damn gun I got in my collection because of, well, this, the front half. Anyway, let's, get outside, shall we? Oh, it's actually cool outside. That's a first. Okay. Let's march. Here we go. Yes, it's heavy. If you're wondering, yes, I am running the entire length of my land in full kit and gear. Okay, maybe we're on the tall grass. Holy hell, that's tall grass. Okay, let's take it slow. In the tall grass. Okay, I got somewhat of a clear path going on here. For those of you asking if this is a great exercise, it is. It really is. And I'll tell you now, with the filter on, it does restrict your breathing. If you get used to it, like what I'm doing here, because I've been doing this for the past couple months in preparation for videos where I'm going to be wearing this and I'm going to be playing airsoft in it. So for those of you thinking, hey, not a bad idea to try it, to spice up your airsofting experience, understand now, it is going to be taxing on you, and you got to get used to it before you even consider doing it. That's one of those things, you know? Oh wow. We're on one of the horse's trails. Also, yes, this gun is heavy. If I wasn't supporting it, I'd have about a 3 to 4 pound gun. Yeah, I'm not supporting it now. It's a heavy gun. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, we got a good bit of clearing here. Let's go ahead and get my sprints out. Okay, we're not good. We're not. Let me clear here. What's actually funny is that after the fire went down a good bit of my land, it's actually starting to come back. All the pine trees that burned down starting to come back. My God, it's beautiful out here on my land. You believe what I say? Going from all the way back here, back into the house, exercise in of itself. It really is. Do this every morning. I'm not joking, I do this every morning before I start yard work. This is my exercise routine. Just walk the land. I would walk all the way down there, but nah. I think we'll turn and head around the pond now. Jesus Christ, this gun's heavy. Thank God I'm using the AK and more compact guns than F-31. Now I'll let my friends use the AUG here. Because Jesus Christ, this gun's heavy. And I'm not saying that just because, oh, I'm out of shape, and I'm wearing a respirator with a filter on. No, this gun's actually fucking heavy. Jesus Christ, this thing's heavy. But it gives me exercise. And it gets me used to the gear I'm going to be rocking in the future, you know? Oh, those are prickle bushes. Let's not go that way. Those are prickle bushes. Well, I see a tree fell down a bit during the storm. That's fun. Let's go around the pond. You know what's funny? Doing this reminds me a lot of Boy Scouts when I used to go camping. Yeah. Oh, Boy Scouts was so fun, I'll tell you now. There was one time at summer camp when we had a hike. It's called a Hell's March, or at least a Death March, where we had to have or lug around heavy-ass 30-pound backpacks with all our kit and our equipment for camping. And my dumb ass decided, hey, you know what? I'm gonna try and outrun people on the trails. Yeah, no, that wasn't such a good idea at the time. Oh, this is an ambush waiting to happen. Charlie's out there, boys. Charlie's hiding from me. Anyway. But yeah. Let's take the clearing. Clearing's a little better. But yeah. Let me tell you, camping, hiking, all that good jazz, one of the best damn experience I've ever had in my life. And to all the veterans out there, I want to respect you. Well, not I'm just saying, I respect you. Because Jesus Christ, how you guys are able to do this every day during your time in the service was beyond me. Now I respect you because Jesus Christ, you gotta be physically fit to do this shit. Hell, when I started doing this, I couldn't make it past the front gate. Or at least past the front gate anyway. Because Jesus Christ, I was out of breath by the time I got there. But no, this is how it is. Yeah, to the veterans out there who are watching this, mad respect for you guys. Jesus Christ. Oh wow, that's even more of an ambush waiting to happen. Look at that tall ass grass. Charlie's sitting there hiding among it, I bet you. Well, back in the clearing. Making our way back to the house. Ah! Sucker. The gun just slammed in my crotch. Oh, that's not good. That's not feel good. But yeah. I'm gonna tell you now, if you want to try this, and if you seriously want to do like I'm doing and play airsoft in a gas mask, indoor respirator, indoor full NBC gear, CBRN gear, anything of that nature, do this. Put it on and just walk in it. Just walk in it, run in it, exercise in it. That's how you get used to it. That's how you get used to this. Hey Dominic, my jackass there, coming to greet me. Hey Dominic. What? He just doesn't know what to make of me. He has no idea what to make of me. That's what's funny. Oh, we're in the tall trees again. Damn it to hell. I know I shouldn't be complaining about this because I know my grandpa, when he was in Vietnam, he said it was tall trees all the time. Tall grass, things like that. I get it, Grandpa. Shit, Grandpa, I get it. Oh, I think I went the wrong way. Yeah, I went the wrong way, okay. I got lost, okay. Working my way back around. Okay, yeah, I got a little lost, that's all it was. But yeah. Oh, goodness. But yeah, hope you guys like that. I thought I'd kind of show you into my... whew, okay. Just to let you guys know, I've been doing this with not only this mask, but also several other gas masks in my collection, as well as respirators in my collection. I've been doing this for the past 3 months now. Or not 3 months, my bad. I've been doing this for the past, since the start of last month. I've been doing it, kind of preparing myself for my birthday battle, as well as this for the pilot episode of How Combat Effective Is It, where I literally review these and talk about how combat effective they are in case they have to be used in a combat situation, or at least if you're going to use them for airsoft. But either way, I'm going to tell you now, to those of you who actually rock this style of AUG, I commend you for your upper body strength, because Jesus Christ, this whole front bit here, yeah, no, I'm not a big fan of it. I'm really not. And I am probably going to replace it with the A1 upper. Either way, though. Thank you all for watching. As always, I've been AirsoftAL. And if you guys, to all my veteran friends out there who actually had to actually do this sort of stuff, all the ruck marches, all the everything of that nature, let me know in the comment section down below what it was like for you. Anyway, thank you all for watching. As always, I've been AirsoftAL. See you all next time.